Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines.
Go ahead.
Old Collinsville Road. Looks like we're going to be stopping at Ravenel. Just want some video with. It'll be a white Nissan Road. Fairview 187. My vehicle's just been hit. Started an ambulance.
Hey, what happened?
You tell me!
I need a new car.
Somebody ran into me, pushed my vehicle into the other vehicle, started an ambulance, need a supervisor. Here, come over here, buddy. Get out of the road. Here, have a seat real quick. Have a seat. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
What happened, dude?
I don't know, man. I've been drinking.
You been drinking?
Yeah, I've been drinking.
Okay.
And I took some weed pills.
Some weed pills?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else in the car?
Nah, it's just me.
187. Started trooper. Here, just sit down, man. Just sit down.
Alright.
Driver tells me he's been drinking and took some weed pills.
Here, let me get
No. Sit down, sit down.
Okay.
I don't want you to get hit, okay? Hey, you guys all right up in there? All right, just hang tight, okay? All right, just chill, okay?
Okay.
Were you wearing your seatbelt?
I don't know. The airbag went off.
Good.
Everything went off.
Okay?
I'm good, I didn't get hit.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
Yep.
148187. I was outside of my vehicle. The occupants in the vehicle I stopped seem to be okay also. I have the driver of the Unit 1 vehicle sitting on the ground right now.
Jail?
Oh, I didn't say that. Just hang tight. I'm concerned that you're okay. All right.
Yeah. What's up, buddy?
You all right, man?
It's a nice car I just crashed.
Are you the owner of that car?
Yes, sir.
What year is it?
2018. It was 2018.
Was it 2018?
Yeah. I ain't never been to a car accident not like that.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy, dude. Where are you coming from?
Huh?
Where were you coming from?
The Walmart up the street.
In O'Fallon?
In O'Fallon, yeah.
Okay. All right. You and your passenger good though, right? Okay.
You guys got it? Safe?
Yeah. All right. I got some other guys coming. Okay. 187. We do have some lane blockage on the southbound lanes.
Yes, sir. Can I stand up? My head's getting like.
Just sit down, man. You just in a bad accident. I don't want you to get hurt. Okay. You wandering around out in that traffic, somebody gonna hit you.
Somebody gonna hit me. I got insurance. It ain't gonna cover that though.
Well, I don't know, but that's not what we're concerned about right now. We're concerned about everybody's okay, all right?
All right.
You got your driver's license on you, man?
Yeah.
Can I see it real quick?
You guys got pulled over or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where's your driver's license at, man? Is it still in the car or you got it on you?
I got it on me.
Can I see it real quick?
I did that on purpose, sir.
What, you hit me on purpose?
Yeah, I did.
Why is that?
I'm bored.
You bored?
I'm bored.
Fairview 187. Copy subject.
How you doing, boss? Crashed the you want me to do trap? You got insurance on your car? Yeah, I do.
187. Copy subject that I stopped initially.
Damn, I don't know how I'm gonna get home.
So you ran in the back of me on purpose?
Yeah.
Why is that?
I hate cops, man.
Yeah?
I hate.
Why is that?
I was raped. No one helped me.
When was this?
I don't remember. I
Yeah.
was raped and no one helped me.
Okay. All right. We got an ambulance coming, okay?
All right.
All right.
They gonna take me home or I'm going?
I don't know. You ain't got no weapons on you, do you?
No, sir.
All right. Go ahead and put your hand behind your back for me.
All right. So am I going in the ambulance?
They're going to come and check you out, okay, partner?
Okay.
All right.
You put my wallet back in my pocket?
Yeah.
Good morning.
You all right, bud?
Your
Friend all right in the car?
He's okay. Just put it over, that's all.
All right, just hang tight, okay? 187, go. So, wait a second.
I was going home.
Ten 4. 343, he says he ran into me on purpose because he hates cops.
On September 24th, 2025, in Fairview Heights, Illinois, 28-year-old Kajian L. Jennings admitted to intentionally ramming his gray 2018 Chevrolet Camaro into a Fairview Heights police SUV during a traffic stop. The impact caused more than $10,000 in damage, and the Illinois State Police were called to investigate. Jennings now faces multiple felony charges, including 2 counts of aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, aggravated assault for placing an officer in fear of being struck, and criminal damage to government property. As always, everyone is considered innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is for educational and informational purposes only, to provide public insight into real police investigations and incident footage. If you like this video, support the channel by hitting like, tapping subscribe, and sharing this video. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage,